How to track time in Asana. Hi there, today we'll learn how to track or use the time tracking feature here on the Asana platform. What is Asana? Asana is a digital platform or assistant that helps you manage your work and collaborate with your team. So it's like having a virtual to-do list that you can share with your colleagues. So with Asana's timed tracker, this can help individuals and the teams to better manage their time, improve productivity, and streamline project management processes. So for us to begin with, what we'll need to do is to log in or sign in into your Asana account, where once you're logged in successfully, you will be routed into this page. This is your home page for your Asana account. So what I have here is just a demo account here. So for us to begin with the time tracker, let me introduce you with the platform first. So here on the left side panel, you'll be able to see the main menus like the home, your task, and even inbox if you did receive notifications from your teammates or from the status of your project. Here, after that, you'll be able to see the insights where you will be able to create a report or even show your goals and even create your portfolios for that project. So, another thing here, so below the insights, here you'll be able to see the projects that you have on the account. So with the projects here, these are the existing projects that you have. Here I do have the research as my existing project. And after that, you'll be able to see the team. Here is the team that I currently have since I only have one team on this account. So if ever you do have other mini teams or other specific departments or part of your project that you want to isolate, you can create one as well. But for us to begin with the time tracking, you can just click on your one of your projects that you have. So let's click on research. And here you will be able to see the task that I have under that project. So as you can see here, there are three things that needs to be done, and there are other boards here. So let's say John is already working on the market research, so we can move it into in progress. And then once completed, we can just drag and drop this to done. So it's very easy. You can just drag and drop the task. So for example, you want to track the time that has been given into this task. So you can just click on customize. That's on the upper right corner of the screen. And then there will be a pop-up panel that will show for you to customize a field. So since we'll be customizing a specific task, we just need to click on the task. So let's click on market research. And then when we click on market research, it will automatically change the customize button. So as you can see, it's already been filled out and you can see who is the assignee and here it is. You can see that there is an estimated time and the actual time of the project. So here with the estimated time, this will be the time that you predict on how long the project will be done. And as for the actual time, this is the exact time that has been given or allocated into the project by the assignee. So here, as you can see, yesterday, John has worked on 30 minutes on the task. And for today as well, John has already worked 45 minutes for this task as well. Another way for you to track the time here is you can actually start the timer. If, for example, you are already working on it right now, as of this moment, you can go ahead and just click and start the timer. And then and once you are done doing the task for the day, you can just go ahead and stop the timer and it will automatically be logged into your actual time that has been made today. Let me just set it up here. So as you can see, so now that you have your actual time and the estimated time to track your progress, what we can do here is that we can go to portfolios here on the account. That's on the left side panel of the screen under Insights. So when you click on portfolios, here you will be able to click one of your portfolios. And then from here, what you need to do is go to workload. And then I did add a customized field. And then you just need to click on that field and then go to edit effort. When you click on edit effort, there you will be able to see that there's an option for you to add the estimated time into your progress or into your portfolio. There, when I click on edit field or edit effort, there you'll be able to see that estimated time is recommended. So here it's just confirming whether we wish to add the estimated time to all of the projects on the portfolio. So we could just click on add effort. And then from here, we can set the time that we require each person to have in maximum or estimated maximum time per week. So another option here as well. So if ever each member of the team has different maximum time that is being estimated, we can just go ahead and uncheck the box right above the name of the assignee here. If we will be unchecking the box, here we will be able to manually edit the time that we will allocate or we will be putting for estimated time for John. So we can have either 40 or 30, but in this case, we will just leave it as it is. So we will check the box once again, and then we'll just have it as a default estimated time for everyone. So we can go ahead and set capacity. And there you have it. It is now being shown on our portfolio. So another way for us to project the tracking of time into your project, you can go ahead and go to reporting and click one of your dashboards. When you click your dashboard, here you'll be able to see the status and the progress of the project that you have on the account. So what you can do here is that you can add a chart or create your own chart for this project. When you click on add a chart, there will be a lot of templates that you can choose from that you can make use of for your project, or you can do customize as well. And here you'll be able to see the projects that I have on the account. And on the right panel here, you will be able to see, or this is where you will be customizing these information. So for example, for chart style, rather, you have here a bumped feature, or you have a line graph. You can also do numbers, and also donut is like a circle graph or a pie graph, more or less. There's also a lollipop option, but what we'll do here is just click on donut for this. And then under include task from, so you can specifically have it for only for your team or for a specific project or a portfolio, depending on what you have. So in my case here, I'll just have it for all of the projects that I have. So I'll be choosing the first option. And then for the group here, I'll be clicking. So there are a lot of options here depending on what type of chart you're creating. So for a completion status, there's another type of informations that will be inputting there. And for a task count, there will be other informations created. But what we'll do here is the task status. so that we'll be able to make use of the time tracking that we had earlier. So here you'll be able to see under task status, you will be able to go under time entry, and there you have the option to click on the actual time and the estimated time. So you can click on estimated time, but I'll choose on the actual time being spent on the project. So once you're done filling out all the informations here, you can go ahead and click on create. And then once there are already progress and one of all of your team members has worked on the project, it will automatically be updated here on this platform. As you can see, it has now been added into your dashboard here along with the other progress charts as well on the account. Okay, and that's about it. That's how you will be making use of the time tracking feature here on the Asana platform. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.